past few years, there is a huge growth in drone development and use of it. Now they would be used to deliver things. Most of the thing, Amazon would be the first company for drone delivery system. But this technology is used for further more great purpose in the fast developing world. Millions of people in the world lack to access to essential medical products due to poor infrastructure and present in rural areas. Rwanda has number of rural areas in it. Not possible to take essential things to rural areas through drones. Now, zipline entered to supply blood and another emergency medical appliance to rural area. They developed their own small drone flight in capability of 300 to 500 milliliters of blood bag for flight. We are trying to see its practically image. The launchpad is being set up first. Now the air command is being commanded and request for access. Now the blood is being packed in the zipline parachute bag. Now the wings are being set. These are the battery backups for that. Now the order is being placed. This technology is based on GPS connected to satellite, and this is a massive complex engineering. This is the battery backup, how it's been fitted, and these are the pins. They are checking the angles of the fan blades, are they are right. Now they are checking the QR code for the requesting for the access to the air command headquarters so that they could control it. Now they are request access. Now they are checking it as they are working good or not. Now the flight is ready for launch. Now the propellers are going to be on too, and now in 3, 2, 1, launch. This is how it has been launched. This is a launch pad which consists of one powerful battery and a pulley which pulls the flight for a distance of 5 meter with a speed of 100 km so that it got a faster speed than usual. Now the two propellers would guide it. Now it is arrived at its destination. Now it's going to drop its package, and it has been dropped with help of a parachute. Now the doctor collects it and use it for the medical purpose. Now the landing session we are going to see. This is how it works of landing purpose. The flight comes and a rope it gets stuck, and with the help of pin it slows down the plane and it slowly gets down and be swung. In slow motion you could see that. This is all collected by Wi-Fi. You could see it clearly. Now we could see the another way of landing. This is now particularly using this method. This is the practical, very successful method. The pin collects it and it drops on a soft bag which helps it for soft landing without any damage. This is how it completes its journey. This could work in rainy season too, as the equipments are made up of stainless steel and the plane is also waterproof, so it could fly in rainy season, so it could tolerate in any climatic temperature. So now this has made, now it has a carbon fiber composite attached to a pin which helps us to slow down. This helps the Rwanda to supply its medical support to all over its country. Now there is only one way. In future it would be expanded. This is a new method they are trying with help of parachute ejection system. This is not yet successful, but they are trying to success it. So this is how it helps to deliver its product to the Rwandan people in their medical periods. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.